Well, the main focus on the Dunkerbeck Speed Challenge is really to show the world of windsurfing that you can put a large group of windsurfers together and actually perform on a ranking list. Why is this possible? Because everyone can blast in a straight line. Some are doing it quicker than others, and that is the main focus of the Dunkerbeck Speed Challenge, to motivate good windsurfers to become even better. In the GPS speed format, we can put together a lot of different levels of windsurfing. We put young kids, 10-year-olds, my son, myself, and my father, 70, in the same group of people. And this is one of the reasons why I'm putting together this Dunkerbeck Speed Challenge this time and for many more years to come.
We are measuring time-based, as a GPS measures every second, and then we interpolate towards 250 meters. Riders sail over a given course and their best speeds are being measured. Great system to measure speeds, to get people out on the water, have fun together and basically go as fast as they can. That's the whole beauty of GPS.
Bjorn is a phenomenon, really. Yes, he's always been someone I've respected. And
Anders and Bjorn, for me, they were my heroes from the past. I've been windsurfing for 29 years, and it's cool to just compete against them.
It's all about thinking about how to sail as fast as possible. So you start, you have to give way to the guys, leave enough space in front, make sure you're not in somebody's wake, make sure nobody's to windward of you. And then as you're coming in over the course, if all the stars align, then you get a bit of love from God. And you sheet in and you go off like a bat out of hell, and it's beautiful.
Really happy with the second place. I like the GPS a lot because I can do it everywhere.
Really great to get everybody mixed together. The great thing about speed sailing, which is different from any other windsurfing discipline, is that actually almost anybody can do it. If you can water start, you can get in the harness and get in the foot straps, you can speed sail.